Imagine you are my tech-savvy friend, and we are diving into the fascinating world of Microsoft 365's connectors, specifically for delivering mail to mailboxes outside of it. It's like creating secret handshakes for emails, allowing them to seamlessly find their way into inboxes not under Microsoft's wing, and trust me, it's as cool as it sounds. Picture this. You work around the Microsoft 365 office space, and sometimes you need some emails from your non-Microsoft 365 colleagues to find their way into the right inbox. This is like setting up a little pipeline that lets the mail travel without getting lost between the clouds. So, we are going to craft a guide, making sure we keep everything professional at a blogger-friendly HTML structure. This is going to be a mix of tech know-how for the seasoned IT folks with a sprinkle of casual chatter for those just dipping their toes in the digital sea. Starting this journey, let's sketch out our blog with an eye-catching title. How about how to deliver mail to non-Microsoft 365 mailboxes using connectors in Microsoft 365? It's a phrase that screams our mission and sits right at the top, ready to draw curious minds in. Now on to crafting a meta description. Imagine explaining this into lines, setting up connectors in Microsoft 360 to share mail with non-M365 inboxes. Sounds like that intro to a classic, doesn't it? Next, let's lay down the foundations in our introduction, but let's keep it personal. Think of a friend or a colleague struggling with out-of-office issues. We'll touch those bases lightly, providing the reason for needing this technique and what connectors do to bridge the digital gap between systems. Moving ahead, the backbone of our plan, the implementation architecture, is like mapping out a treasure island but for our email journey. We'll chart the course for Microsoft 365 connectors on an architecture canvas, plotting points on how they work together with non-Microsoft inboxes. It's planning a trip where the road, water, and air are all our connectors and mail. Then comes the heart of the voyage, the configuration walkthrough. Let's take our readers step by step through setting up this intricate system. Picturing it as if we are setting up a club in Microsoft 365 to receive mail for our non-Microsoft friends, but we'll guide them in making this happen, ensuring they have emails arriving in their personal sea of inboxes with the click of a button. The best practices round follows up to smooth sailing and healthy seas. Here, we'll unpack the security chest, sharing tips on keeping the treasure safe from digital pirates using role-based access controls and other protective amulets everyone should wear. Our readers will become as clever as seafarers protecting their cargo. Tying it all up is our conclusion, where we'll pull the stops together, reciting the key points of our journey, the title of our little adventure, the destination, and the treasures found on the way. We recap our steps to configuring the connectors, emphasizing the ease that comes with knowledge, and remind our readers to always stay vigilant when sharing their mailbox gates. After flipping through this treasure map, that's not the end of our quest but a stepping stone to continuous learning and exploration. Let's wrap this grand conversation, reminding everyone, for more tech insights and knowledge sharing, visit neeraj.qqq.io and keep exploring through the TechLab. Remember, the voyage of knowledge is endless when backed by curiosity and the drive to learn, and now that our guide is ready, my friend, let's set sail to the realm of possibility.